Okay, check it out. Rain barrels. This is how I save water and water our garden. So that's the spigot right there into a manifold system. Each one's connecting to each barrel there. And then that pipe right there, let's see here, right there, that's my overflow system. So if these barrels fill up, then it will overflow through that pipe right there. So kind of cool. Goes up from the gutter down, and then that's a mosquito net so the mosquitoes can't go in there, and then a debris catcher as well, any debris that comes down from the roof. So anyway, I've got these barrels on cinder blocks there, you notice, and then what I've done is I've got these manifolded together, and then check it out, 55-gallon drums lined up. Okay, so you can see I've put shut-off valves ever so often in the line there, and you notice I got that one shut off right there. So I've segmented all those barrels right there. All those are full. I'm just kind of testing to see how much rain I actually use, rainwater, that is, that I use watering the garden. So you notice that hose right there goes over and connects to those barrels. So this is all on the north side of my house. So these things really aren't exposed to sunlight, so I'm not too worried about UV rays breaking them down. And again, here's another one of my overflow ports coming in from the gutter. If these fill up, then it overflows right here on out into the yard. So, and then I left a spot right there, and I could actually hook up another barrel. So that's the cinder blocks that I've used to manifold those together. So, kind of cool. And then these are breather tubes, so these things can fill up. So just to show you, these things are rock solid. They're full. So, and then those are compression fittings. So in case I need to take these apart, I can do so. Those are compression fittings on each one. And there's a valve right there, shut-off valve. So I could actually isolate these barrels, segment them, and take them apart at any time. So all these water all of this.